So here's a picture of what can actually be achieved with Corbeau seats and these Go-Westy seat belts. And that's the original rear bolt for the retractor right there. And with the seat extenders on the convertible, you could, I mean, I'm 6 foot, you can't even barely touch the pedals with it like this. So the way to do it is replace your seat belts and get some seat extenders from LMR, they have them, and then get some Corbeau seats because they're about 2 inches lower. If you try to use your stock seats while doing this, your head is going to be hitting the top. I mean, just using the Corbeau seats really got me just enough leg room where I was happy, but the seat extenders knock it out of the park. Any questions, leave them down below. I'll try to answer them.